Hey everyone, my name is Rosika and welcome back to my channel Learn with Rosika. So this is the second part of the solutions where we are solving question number 1. 1, 2 and 3 has already been solved in the previous video. In this video we will be covering 4, 5 and 6. I have already explained what substitution method is in part 1. Do check the video before proceeding with this question. Let us start. We have two equations. Let us assume this to be equation 1 and the second one to be equation 2. I am directly writing this in the question as we have already learned it in the previous part or the part 1. From equation 1, which is 0.2x plus 0.3y equals to 1.3. Let us find the value of x from here. 0.2x equals to 1.3 minus 0.3y, or x equals to 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2, or x equals to 1.3 divided by 0.2 minus 0.3 divided by 0.2y. So let us mark this as equation 3. Moving forward, now let us substitute the value of x that we have calculated, which is this, in equation 2 in this equation. So let us write equation 2 first. 2.3 or 1.3 by 0.2 minus 0.3 by 0.2y plus 0.5y equals to 2.3. We have substituted the value of x with the value that we have calculated in equation 3. Or let us multiply this. 0.4 into 1.3 into 0.2 minus again 0.4 into 0.3 minus 0.2y. 0.4 multiplied to this part of the equation and 0.4 again multiplied to the second part of the equation, plus we have 0.5y equals to 2.3. Here we can see 0.2, when we multiply it by 2, we get 2 into 2 is 4.2 into 0. We get 0.4. So we can simplify it as this will be 2 and this is also 2, or 2 into 1.3 minus 2 into 0.3 y plus 0.5y equals to 2.3. Or when we multiply this, what do we get? 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 into 1 is 2. Keep the decimal in the same point. Minus 2 into 3 is 6. Keep the decimal where it is. And 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Y plus 0.5y equals to 2.3. Do not get scared because of the decimal numbers that you see in this question. It is very easy to solve because these numbers are the smaller numbers which we can calculate without having it to be changed to fraction. Or 2.6, let us take it to the right hand side. Now here we have minus 0.6 and plus 0.5. So clearly plus into minus is minus, sign 0.6 is greater, so minus 0.6, and 0.6 minus 5 is 1, so it is minus 0.1, simple. Minus 0.1 y equals to 2.3 and we have minus 2.6. Here we can see minus 2.6 and plus 2.3. Now since 2.6 is greater than 2.3, we will have minus as the sign. And 2 minus 2 is 0, 6 minus 3 is 3. So we have minus 0.3. Or minus 0.1y equals to minus 0.3. Y equals to minus 0.3 divided by minus 0.1. Minus 0.1. When we shift it to the right hand side, it will get into the denominator. Minus and minus will be cancelled and we can eliminate the decimal from here, since after the decimal there is one digit in the numerator. And also in the denominator there is only one number after the decimal, so this can be eliminated. Here we got y equals to 3 by 1, which is 3. Let me remove this part. I have written equation 3 over here for the reference. Now what do we have to do is the value of y that we have calculated over here, which is 3, we have to put the value in this equation 3 to find the value of x. We can write 3. So x equals to 1.3 by 0.2 minus 0.3 divided by 0.2 into 3, or x equals to 1.3 divided by 0.2 minus, let us multiply it, 3 into 3 is 9, so it is 0.9 divided by 0.2. Let us take the LCM. 0.2, the LCM 0.2 is 2. Now 0.2, how many times do we have to multiply 0.2 to get 0.2? One time, right? 0.2 into 1 is 0.2. So this one will be multiplied to the numerator, and then we will get 1 into 1.3. Same way 1 into 0.9. So we got 1.3 minus 0.9 divided by 0.2. As we have 1.3 minus 0.9, how much is it? This is 0.4. So we have 0.4 divided by 0.2. Now we can eliminate the decimal, and it is 4 by 2, which is 2. So the answer over here is x equals to 2, y equals to 3. Answer. So let's move to the next question now. We have the next question with the roots. Let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From equation 1 we get root over of 2x plus root over of 3y equals to 0, or root over of 2x equals to minus root over of 3y, or x equals to minus root over of 3 by root over of 2 into y. Let us say this is equation 3. Now we are substituting the value of x in equation 2. Root over of 3x minus root over of 8y equals to 0, or root over of 3 into minus root over of 3 into root over of 2y minus root over of 8y equals to 0. I've repeated the same equation over here. Let us solve. Root over 3 into root over 3 is 3. So this is 3 divided by root 2 into y minus root over 8y equals to 0. We can take y common or minus y common. 3 by root 2 minus root over of 8 equals to 0. Or we do not have to solve this because there is only one term over here, that is minus y into 3 by root 2 minus root over of 8 equals to 0, which can be directly transferred to the right hand side. That means even the minus can be transferred. We are transferring y equals to 0 divided by minus 3 by root 2 minus of root 8. Okay, so which is 0 divided by something is always 0. So y equals to 0. We got y equals to 0. Now putting the value of y in equation 3. Which is equation 3? This one, which we have calculated. X equals to minus root 3 by root 2 y, or x equals to minus root 3 by root 2 into 0, which is 0. So we got x equals to 0, y equals to 0, which is the answer. Let's move to the last question of this part. This is the last question. Let us assume this to be equation 1 and this to be equation 2. Or from equation 2, this is the process to find equation 3. Y by 2 equals to 13 by 6. or x by 3 equals to 13 by 6 minus y by 2. We are directly transferring the y term in the right hand side. Let us calculate this. X by 3 equals to, the LCM of 6 and 2 is 6. How to get that? Okay. 6 and 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 1 is 2. 3 into 1 is 1 and 1 will be transferred. So we have 2 into 3. That is 6. So the LCM of 6 and 2 is 6. Now the same method, 6 into 1 is 6 and 13 into 1, 13. Minus again 2 into 3 is 6. This one, not this one, okay? This one. 2 into 3 is 6 and 3 will be multiplied to numerator and 3y. Now we have x equals to 13 minus 3y divided by 6 into 3. Since 3 is in the denominator, in the left hand side, when we transfer it to the right hand side, it will go to the numerator. Or 3 ones are 3, 3 into 2 is 6. X equals to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. So here we got equation number 3. It was a long process, but it was worth it. So I've written equation 3 over here that we have calculated, putting the value of x from equation 3 to equation 1. Since we have used equation 2 to calculate the value of x, we will put the same in equation 1. So we have 3x minus 2 minus 5y minus 3 equals to minus 2. Let us put the equation value of y over x over here. 13 minus 3y by 2 minus 5y by 3 equals to minus 2. Moving forward, 3 into 13 is 39 minus 3 into 3 is 9y, 2 into 2 is 4, minus 5y by 3 equals to minus 2. Or let us find the LCM of 3 and 4, which is 3 into 1 is 3, 4 will be undivided, and 2 into 2 is 4, and 2 into 1 is 2. So 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12. So the LCM is 12. 4 into 3 is 12, and this will be multiplied to the numerator. Again 3 into 4 is 12, which will be multiplied to the numerator. And we have minus 2 on the right hand side. Now it is 3 into 39 minus 9y again minus 4 into 5y equals to minus 2 into 12. 12 will be transferred to the numerator. This is cross multiplication. Now this is 3 into 9 is 27 and 3 into 3 is 9 plus 2 11 minus 3 into 9 is 27 y minus 4 into 5 is 20y equals to minus 24, or minus 47y equals to minus 24 minus 117, minus 117 moved to the right hand side, or 47y equals to minus 141, or y equals to minus 141 by minus 47, which is 3. So we got the value of y is 3. Now we will put this value of y in equation 3 to find the value of x. Equation 3 is x equals to 13 minus 3y by 2. We have the value of y is 3 into 3 by 2, or x equals to 13 minus 3 into 3 is 9 by 2. Now we have 4 by 2, which is 2. So we got x equals to 2, y equals to 3, which is the answer.